Hey guys, it's Ruthy from Ruthy's Reading Room.
And my name is Elijah. Watch this video to see what you have to do when you cough or sneeze.
Let's show our friends and Jaw what to do if you have to cough or sneeze. Don't cough into your hand. Ew. Use a Kleenex instead. Yay!
Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
But make sure you throw your Kleenex in the garbage. And if you don't have a Kleenex, what do?
You cough in the fold of your arm, like this.